Even when you tell me that I'm going to help you, you make it impossible.
Move that out of the way.
How tricky can a top be?
I measured everything wrong. That didn't fit at all. What the heck? Oh boy. Man, that sucks. No, it's not gonna work. Oh my god. Well, that was dumb. Oh, I'm so upset right now. A little initiative from you. We appreciate it.
You're unbelievable.
We're doing this wrong again. All the hard work you put in is paying off.
I thought you was going to make it so nice. It's so pretty. These are my favorite thing that you've made. Look at this. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Today we're going to build some nightstands.
This is how big you want this thing to be.
The normal size nightstands.
It's like a dining table. So I've got my blueprints. I'll blueprinted it up. And kind of the order of events here. The first step is legs, which are already not 1 3/4 because they only had 1 1/2. So the very first step is already changed. But we can cut them to length. So let's do that. Let's not forget my new tool belt.
Stupid.
We bought these 2x2 oak pieces that are going to become legs.
What the heck happened? What did you try to do?
Toss it up in the air and I caught it first try.
Oh yeah, first try. Yeah. All right, so they're all cut.
Step 1, complete. 2. All right, now we got to make the top. That means this 3/4 sheet of plywood has to go outside. Come on, girl.
Oh, it's hard to grab it on the side. Ah!
Oh my God.
Thank God I had my sweater over it.
I put this in there from the truck by myself.
Do you want a cookie? I mean,
I want you to not complain.
we're not the same.
Let's take a look and see what side is more good side. What a beautiful piece.
On this side?
No. Stay here. You want phones? Headphones? Just gonna lose your hearing too?
I mean, it's better for both of us, right?
All right, loosen up. So we said we needed 1 16 and I was gonna cut the other one at 36.
Right.
Which
Definitely.
I don't have. Well, that was dumb. Let's move this in the shed.
We can't stop.
I can get it. Oh, man. Come on, man. Thought somebody was barbecuing. There was a fire.
I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
It was really bad, babe.
What do you mean?
Your impression.
Oh,
Everything.
Nobody knows what the hell
Everything
I'm
was
talking
bad.
about.
The cut.
Listen, it's January 1st, and, it's a whole new year. New year, new me.
Dumber you? Is that your resolution?
You guys believe this?
And worse at impressions?
The domestic violence that I deal with while I'm building nightstands for this lady. Lord Jesus, it was fire.
This is like a meme from 15 years ago.
The smoke's coming in. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's pretty good.
You got like 1/4 of that.
That's all they need.
Good job.
You want to help this time?
So this is a different piece of plywood.
This isn't going to be seen, so we'll use cheaper plywood.
This will make more sense once we start putting it together.
I forgot the number from here to there.
Careful.
I think these are 33, so I need 2 of them.
Top and bottom.
Correct.
1 top
1 bottom.
of 2, 1 bottom of 1. It'll all make sense when we put it together.
Nope.
1 of 2 tops, 1 of 1 bottoms.
You are correct. And where I messed up is I need twice as many of this. I'm making 1 nightstand right now.
So we have to repeat everything that we did up to this point.
Oh, I'm so upset right now. Why didn't you tell me this before?
You're really good at math, so...
It just didn't cut the right amount that I mathed. Man, that sucks. You sure you need 2 of these? I mean, think about it for a minute. How about I make them at 17.5 inches? We can make them each this big. All right, well, get the hell out of here.
We'll be back with double of these materials.
So as per usual, I cut the correct amount first time around, and here they are. Of course, I'm making 2 tables, duh. So I have 4 pieces. You ready to cut some aprons? Let's go. Okay, all the aprons are cut. Ready to pocket hole? There's gonna be so many pocket holes.
It's like 65 degrees today
Yeah.
in Alabama, and it is January 1st.
January 1st. Party so hard yesterday.
Excuse me, lady. Very noisy in this
You want to tell them how hard we partied yesterday?
Thunder fell asleep midway through the season finale of Stranger Things, probably around 8 p.m. I stayed up 9 p.m., woke him up.
You
to go to
wild
bed.
girl. You wild.
You were snoring on the couch. Francine was growling and barking in her sleep
Lies.
inside of you.
Lies. That sucks.
That's not great.
No, not great. Frick, man. You moved.
So much for having them all the same.
Yep. Like off the rails almost immediately. Oh. The neighbors must be taking liberties in their own backyard again. Francine will not stand for it.
No barking at the ape, Francine. Come on, girl.
Okay, now the holes have been pocketed. Let's screw them in. All right, so I made a jig. We're going to round the edge on these legs later. We want it to have this much reveal, and then this is that amount. So hopefully this will make my life a little easier. I can just go like this and send it, you know? I'm gonna need another leg. Give me a leg. Here's a leg.
Yeah.
What the heck?
What are you doing?
Oh boy. That's not gonna work.
Do you need me?
Probably. Bear me a leg and come over here to hold this up.
Bear you a leg? This is scandalous. Forever holding things. It's my job.
Wish I could just hold things.
It's not always as
Glamorous as it'll look.
as it looks. Such a great angle. You can see everything that's
Mhm.
happening.
All right, here's your
It's starting to look like something.
here's your dinner table.
These will be good sized drawers. We'll actually be able to use them.
Thick, but blankets in here,
I don't know about
pillows.
blankets. I don't know about pillows either.
Okay, now we have to make another one that looks just like this. But you know what I'm gonna do here? That was a good trick. Couple updates. I was working on the bottom of this and I made some mistakes. I measured everything wrong somehow and ended up with this guy that didn't fit at all. Then I was out of plywood, so as opposed to buying more, I just did a little patchwork here. It's gonna go on the bottom, nobody's gonna see it. And then what I did is I put the edge banding here, all the edges. It has this front detail both here and going across the top. So I ended up just making these little stretchers that I edge banded. Since they're the same exact width as this, it'll bring the legs in and square this thing up. The next step is I want to screw this top to the aprons. So I'm going to remove this. We'll apply some glue and then we'll screw it down. Starting to feel sturdy. This is the back. In the back,
That looks so crappy.
we're not going to put a hole back here, so we can feed wires into these drawers for certain things that we're going to put in here. So all the back is going to have is this thing. What I want you to do is take this dude, fit it in here,
Squeeze it.
squeeze it until it's like tight. Try to keep it as close to even as you can. We can always give it a little skadoosh with the hammer. Let me flip this because you're left-handed, I'm right-handed. Happy?
Yep.
Look at that.
It's square for the people I can't see.
Or at least I'll make you believe it. Oh, it is. Okay, let's see what happens here. Mama. Before I turn it around, I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece. That's tight as a frog's ass right there. So I took this thing here, found the middle of this wood with this, and then I made a line to the top. So when I put the screws, they stay centered.
Smart.
People say, and to believe them, except when I put the clamp here and I start screwing it over there.
Hold on. I get your armpit.
Man, the amount of screws I'm gonna have to remove later.
I know.
glue this one. I'm gonna need your. On this guy end here, doesn't have to be perfect. We can skadoosh it with the hammer. I'm gonna mark these because we have two, and these screws are 0 chance they're all gonna be in the same place. I'm gonna use red for this. 1, 2, I guess here, 3 here, 1, and here was the triangle. 4 seemed like a lot, you know? All right, I've got a pro tip from yesterday. See how this is all blown out here? I'm cutting with the jigsaw. On the second one, what I did is I scored it with a knife, and you can see that it didn't blow out at all. So that's the way to go. Just score it with a knife, cut right along that line. Unless you remove the drawer, you're not gonna see any of this. This was just good practice. We're doing this wrong again. Between the two of us, we're ambidextrous.
Yes, sure.
Now we're gonna cut sides. This is a little bit tilted this way, so I put these in here and I put a note to remind myself. When it comes time for final assembly, I'm gonna put these back in here to keep it square, and then I'm gonna run a brace from here to here. But I think I'm ready to cut this first side. I'm nervous. So we're looking at 16.5 and same. Let me adjust this.
And I feel like we should say, if you guys want the full dimensions of these, just comment below.
Because the full dimensions is not gonna be set until I'm done. You know,
Right.
Cut a little bit here, man. Tweak.
Comment if you have any other questions.
Or if you have any opinions on how Floribus ended.
What?
Floribus,
Was that the last episode?
that was it.
Didn't feel like it was
No,
it. Stranger Things felt like an ending. That
Yes.
was a really good ending.
But that was the end. You know, Floribus is just the end of the season.
Right,
So
true.
a little different feeling.
Before we bring in our new nightstands, we need to address the bed situation.
Yeah, the thing will come.
We partnered with Lubona,
Lubana.
and they sent us a new bed.
Yes.
But first, we have to get this out of here.
Let's do it.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm excited, man. It's time to get rid of this thing.
As excited as we were to get rid of our old bed, which I'm embarrassed to say was really just a cheap frame, we were so excited to put our new real bed together. What'd you think?
I love it.
It feels really solid and well made. The oak wood grain is beautiful. It honestly feels like a forever piece. It's going to last, and it fits into just about any style of room. We were able to put this together super quick. Everything was labeled with really easy to understand instructions. I really appreciate all these little details. So pretty. It's gonna look great with our new nightstands. One thing that we did notice, their stuff sells out fast. I think this bed might be sold out, so definitely check out their website. We'll link it in the description below. They have so many other beautiful furniture pieces. Thank you so much to Lubona for sponsoring today's video. And back to our nightstands.
All right, so these are cut to size and dry fit in here. I think next step is we're gonna remove them, put them aside, because we have to figure out these legs. Whatever it is thing you want me to magically make happen here, we gotta do that next. Because for me to put this in, these legs have to be permanently in place. So here's my challenge, is putting these in a place that I remember it's not scraps. And it's a piece I need, you know? Try it over here. We made a little sample foot. I set up this little stop here and essentially ran it through. They gave me this setup, and then we've got to sand it by hand. So I got this rasp to get in there, and then the rest of it is just sanded by hand in the corner here because I can't find anything that does this. No machine I have will give me this round over on the outside, so we're just gonna hand jam these corners 8 times over.
And then we also rounded the outside corner.
Yep, not square anymore. This corner will be round all the way up, but the bottom is only up to here, all the way around. We need this square for the drawers to butt up to it, and we need this square for the side to butt up to it.
So you're marking these legs, and then we're gonna take them off
We gotta take this whole thing apart, so every single piece is coming off.
just to get the legs out.
Yep. I'm gonna start with just rounding these edges here. want to switch this tip and do this. I like to round this edge here because when you have it on the ground and you start pulling, it tends to peel off into layers. But if you have it rounded over just a little bit, it slides better.
It also looks nicer, right?
It does, yeah. It looks a little more finished. It's really hard to keep it straight, you know? I'm just going to attempt to do it by hand like this. Alright, I'm doing it. Just do a little sanding here, should be good.
Alright, now do it 7 more times.
Cool. So this is what we're planning on doing, and that kind of sucks, right? So I'm gonna take this out of this handle, I'm gonna put it in my drill. So now that I have this in here, I need to get this trigger to hold. So I'm gonna zip tie it. You ready? Once I do, I can't get it off. So it's gonna be like
MacGyver.
Are you ready?
Stuff.
I'm gonna do it. Go on.
Yes, you're a genius.
Yes.
Alright, now we have to sand.
I'm gonna sand this whole last thing like all over the place. I feel like nobody needs to watch sanding, you know? And sand it. Come on, Candace still sanding. Put their headphones on. That's how I like things. With that, I think they're ready to be installed back and made into what we just had a few minutes ago. So let's do it.
So unfortunately, if we make a half-hour video, no one will watch it, so we are going to have to continue this project next week.
What are you doing? What are we doing?
What are you doing? Why do I feel something? You made me do it! I do woodwork! It's fine.
I know a guy can fix it. Oh man.
Yeah, how
I
does...
forgot I have to disassemble this. Alright, put the match back on. We're done.
No. How you feel about our rug?
Yeah, it's good.
Ridiculous. This is the first new bed that we've ever had as a couple. We've had new mattresses, just so you guys know. We've changed our mattress.
Then I ran out. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.